Hello and welcome back. This is Owlette Ken's, and happy 4th of July, everyone. In honor of the 4th of July, I decided to decorate my Forgotten Lands Park. And before we get started, let me go ahead and customize a top for the occasion. So I'm going to make this star a little bit smaller, and I'm going to select the cube, and at the very top I'm going to select for all the stars to be on my shirt. It's going to fill the shirt with stars, and of course it has to be blue, and this is the finished product. Easy enough. We're keeping it casual. We've got our red shorts and red sneakers. Let's get some ears. We're going to do the white Minnie ears. And we're going to select the shapes. And again, I'm going to select the star. And we're just going to drag the little arrow down to make it a little bit smaller. And I think I made it too small. I'm going to come back in. There we go. And the cube, and we're going to select for it to fill. And then I'm just coming in with it just to make it a little bit smaller. And this is the smallest it will go. So that's step one on the ears. I'm going to add another layer, and I'm going to select this solid circle just to fill in the knot, and I want that white, and we're going to duplicate that, and I'm going to work on the bow. For that, I'm going to move it up, and that fills up my bow like solid white. I'm going to go back in, and I'm going to select the square. It's a solid white, and I want that center to be blue. Now the end ties of the bow is a little bit trickier. I'm going to select that blue square. I'm going to duplicate it. When it duplicates, it goes right on the top, and I'm going to go ahead and move this around until I get it to the end of the bow. There you go. Alright, I like the way that turned out. Let's go ahead and decorate a rug. Let's make this rug blue. We're going to select shapes. We're going to go back to that star. And I want it really small, the smallest possible, and I want to fill the whole rug up with these stars. I'm going to select the square with the dots. I'm going to select shapes in this rectangle. Very important that you select the arrows that curve. That will allow you to move the rectangle around. When you click away from that, then you're able to drag it to where it needs to go, or where you would like to put it. Now I want this a little bit bigger, so that's as big as it can get. I just want to create a border on my rug. Go ahead and select the right color red, and I'm thinking I'm going to go with this one. Now once I have selected one border, and of course it doesn't fill up the whole edge of the rug, I'm going to have to duplicate it, hitting that square. And now that I've duplicated, you're going to see it's going to be at the very top. You're going to click on that, and that's where it's landed. I don't know if my tool was glitchy or not, but sometimes it landed on top of another one or it landed somewhere else. But if you click on that square, it'll take you right to where the duplicate is. I'm just going to go ahead and drag it and put it in place. And I'm pretty much going to repeat this process 2 more times. Just remember to always select the top square, and it will take you to the duplicated. And that's the finished product. And I do make 2 of those. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my picnic bench. Now I see that there's 2 squares on the left. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select 1 square, and I'm going to change the color. As you can see, it changes the top of the bench, the seating and the table part. Selecting the 2nd square, I'm going to go ahead and select a color. And by selecting the 2nd square, you're going to see that that will only change the colors on the legs. So I do like that. I'm going to go ahead and select the red. And let's go ahead and work on the top. I'm selecting the rectangle shape again. Remember, when you want to turn your item, select the arrows that are curved, click away, and then you can go ahead and place the object. I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this. Okay, now let's go ahead and work on the seating part. Again, I'm going to choose the rectangle. Finished look. And I also decided I needed to have a chair because I do have a chess table here. So we do have this white chair that we can also decorate. And I decided to use the bordered square. And I filled it with stars. And the blue frame. So actually when you make one, you can place as many down as you like. So that's the finished product there. Well, this is my finished park ready for the 4th of July. I hope you guys found this helpful and enjoyable. Please subscribe and leave a like. And as always, enjoy the rest of your day and happy 4th of July. Thank you for watching and see you very soon. Love you guys. Bye.